Alright, so today what we are going to do, we're going to start with the section 1s for the Benco practice papers, test 1 2025. Alright, so we're going to look at all the section 1s. So let's get right into it. First question, write the word name for 87,205. Alright, so looking at our place value chart, we have 87205, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands. So we know that will be 87,000 200 and 5. Number 2, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order is from the smallest to the largest. So we're looking again at the place value chart. And we realize that 38.19 is the smallest. Then we have 38.91, then 389.1, and then 3,891. Number 3, write 22 over 5 as a mixed number. A mixed number consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. To change an improper fraction to a mixed number, we divide the numerator by the denominator. 5 will go into 22 4 times. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 22 take away 20 is 2. The quotient will be the whole number, and the remainder over the divisor will form our fraction. Right, number 4. What is the value of the underlying digit in the number below? Value, very important, value. So we write down our number. Then we look at our place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands. 8, that one the value. To get the value, you take the digit and multiply it by the place value, in this case, which is 1,000. So our answer will be 8,000. Number 5, round off 8,954 to the nearest 100. So we have 8,954, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Rounding off to the nearest 100, we look at the hundreds digit and the tens digit. If the tens digit is more than 5 or equal to 5, we add 1 to the hundreds digit. So 9 plus 1 will give us a group of 10. We know 10 sets of 100 will be 1,000. So we need to add on this group of 1,000 to the thousands column. So this would be 8 plus 1, which is equal to 9. And we will replace all the numbers on the right hand side with zeros. So we get 9,000. Number 6, insert more than, less than, or equal to correctly complete the statement below. So we have 72 and we have 9 squared. So we solve for the 9 squared first. So this is 9 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 81. So we know that 72 is less than 81. So our answer is less than. From a total of 49 oranges, Salim ate 2 sevens. How many oranges did he eat? So to calculate the quantity that he ate, it will be 2 sevens off mean to multiply the total, which is 49 over 1. 7 could go into 7 one time, 7 could go into 49 7 times. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So he ate 14 oranges. What is the total amount of money shown? To calculate the total, we add, so answer will be 20 plus 10 plus 25 cents plus 5 cents. And that will give us a total of $30 and 30 cents. Number 9, they said Alyssa has 19 boxes, each holding 20 apples. Each mean for every one box there are 20 apples. They said how many apples does she have all together? So we want to find out the total. So we know one box is equal to 20 apples. So for 19 boxes, it is equal to 20 multiplied by 19. Alright, and 19 multiplied by 2 is 38. Add the 0 to the end, so it's 380 apples. They said complete the pattern shown. Alright, so we have 144, 121, 100. Looking at these here, we could realize that these are square numbers. So we know 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. 10 by 10 is 100. So the missing pattern here would be 9 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 81. Because this here would be 8 multiplied by 8, which is 64. So our missing value is 81. So the cost of the television shown is $1,648 plus 12.5% VAT. Calculate the amount of VAT to be added. So we know now 12.5% as a fraction is 1/8. It is easier to work with the 1/8 fraction. They wanted to calculate the VAT amount. So the VAT amount would be 1/8 of the cost price, which is $1,648. Alright, so we know 8 could go into 8 one time, 8 could go into 16 two times, 8 could go into 4 0 times, 8 could go into 48 6 times. So our VAT amount would be $206. Number 12, calculate the perimeter of the rectangle shown. Perimeter is the distance around the shape. Alright, so it is the distance around the shape, and the formula to calculate perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length add width multiplied by 2. So we add the length, which is 21 centimeters, to the width, which is 17 centimeters, multiplied by 2. 21 add 17 is 38 centimeters. 38 multiplied by 2, which will give us 76 centimeters. Moving on now to number 13. How many cubes are in the box below? How many cubes are in the box below? So all we need to do is to count it here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 cubes. Number 14. The total mass of a watermelon and a pineapple is 17 kilograms. The mass of the pineapple is 5 kilograms, 200 grams. What is the mass of the watermelon in grams? So we have different units here. We have kilograms, we have grams and kilograms, and the one they're answering grams. So what I will do is to convert everything into grams. So we know the total mass of both items is 17 kilograms. And we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 17 kilograms will be 17 by 1000, which is 17,000 grams. It said the mass of the pineapple is 5 kilograms, 200 grams. So 5 kilograms, 200 grams. All we need to do is to convert the kilograms to grams. So that will be 5 by 1000, which will be 5,000 grams. Add the 200 grams. So we know the mass of the pineapple is 5,200 grams. To calculate the mass of the watermelon, we find the difference. So 17,000 grams, take away 5,200 grams, and that will leave us with 11,800 grams. Number 15, they said draw the shapes that form the faces of the solid shown. So the faces are made up of plane shapes, alright, or two-dimensional shapes. We know they said draw the shapes that form the faces. So we know this is a triangular base prism, so therefore it would be a triangle and rectangle. Alright, those form the faces. It said write one difference between a scalene triangle and an isosceles triangle. So we know a scalene triangle no sides are equal and no angles are equal. And we know an isosceles triangle two sides are equal and two angles are also equal. Alright, so that's one difference. Scalene triangle, no sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Number 17, Kendall is facing north. She makes 3/4 turns in a clockwise direction. Which direction is she now facing? So we have our cardinal points here. This is north, south, west, east. They said she's facing north and she made 3/4 turns in a clockwise direction. So 1, 2, 3. So she is now facing west. They said calculate the mean of the numbers below. To calculate the mean, first we need to calculate the sum of the numbers. So we add up 53 plus 0 plus 67 plus 19 plus 11, and that should give us 150. And now to calculate the mean, we take the sum of numbers and divide it by the number of numbers. So we calculate the sum here just now, which is 150. Now we need to divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So 150 divided by 5, and that will give us 30. Alright, so the mean is 30. It said complete the tally table shown. So we have here now the number, the tally, so we need to complete it for 9. So we have one group of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 loose ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shown below is a list of numbers. What is the modal number? Modal number means the most common number. Alright, so the most common number from the list here is 32. Alright, so the most common number from the list is 32. Alright, so that's it for test 1, section 1, 2025.